What is a tutorial? I actually took a course where we discussed what a tutorial is.
So a tutorial is essentially a pretty unique type of class at Williams where
it's you and another student and the professor.
I think it's really fantastic because it feels like it's just a genuine conversation.
What's a tutorial? A tutorial is really a kind of form of student-centered pedagogy that allows the faculty member to direct where students are going, but forces students to develop the intellectual vocabulary for what they want to do and to pursue the academic interests that they have.
What I love about the tutorial process is the opportunity to really connect with the faculty member that's teaching you. It's been one of the best experiences ever. I tell my tutorial partner all the time that I'm so happy that I did it. I was kind of nervous, but I'm very happy that I did it.
For me, tutorial is a really special course. It's almost like an intense workshop for readers and writers.
It is a really interesting class because it's really a conversation between you and your partner and the professor in a really intimate setting.
One person will be writing a paper, one student will write a paper, and then you will share that with the other student and the professor. The other student will write a critique paper, and then you will both come in and discuss.
It's just you and the other person, so you have to talk about the topic, you have to discuss, you have to do the readings.
It is not a light amount of work, but it is super rewarding.
When someone's reading out a tutorial essay, you're actually evaluating every sentence, and not just you, the other student is as well. So it has a quality of intensity, and I think a quality of accountability for the student.
Well, part of why I came to Williams is because of the small classrooms and contact with the professor. So the tutorial is the smallest form of classroom that you can get.
So I think this is a form of education that is not specific to a type of student, it's not specific to a type of learning, it's not specific to a discipline or a subject. We do it across the curriculum, from creative arts to social sciences to lab sciences. And it's something that any student, regardless of whether they have background in a subject or want to learn something new, can benefit from, will benefit from, and that I strongly encourage them to take.
Again, you're essentially in a two-person class with a professor, and you really, really dig deep into the text in a way that you really don't get to do in other classes.